Hi, and welcome to ChatGPT Essentials Part 1. My name is Chip Reaves. I'm a Microsoft partner and an IT consultant with over 25 years of experience helping businesses and individuals use technology more effectively. It's no secret that ChatGPT and other AI tools are revolutionizing the ways we do business, including how we create content, how we do research and analysis, how we develop software, and more, and I'm excited to show you how to use those features. This course is intended for business users who want to learn how to use ChatGPT more effectively. We'll start by identifying the purpose of ChatGPT, listing its uses, and comparing ChatGPT to other similar apps. Then we'll discuss ways to access ChatGPT, navigate the interface, and identify options. We'll also take some time to define AI terms and identify risks associated with using AI tools like ChatGPT. From there, we'll use different types of text prompts and identify the limitations of ChatGPT. Then we'll summarize and analyze files, connect to external apps, and view and edit the ChatGPT canvas. We'll also dictate prompts and identify the benefits of using voice mode. In our last lesson, we'll discuss multimodal uses of AI, including creating, refining, and analyzing images. Whether you're brand new to the idea of using AI tools like ChatGPT, or if you've already been using it regularly, we've designed this course to help you leverage this tool and be more successful and productive at work. As you go through this course, I recommend that you stop the video periodically and practice what I'm showing you. As you work along with us, be aware that ChatGPT rarely gives the same answers twice, so the responses you get will be different from the ones you'll see in this video.